Fast prototyping shortens the standard PCB or PCBA manufacturing cycle from weeks to days, with bare PCBs available in as fast as 24-72 hours and complete PCBA in 5-7 days. It is crucial for accelerating product development and seizing market opportunities. Beyond speed, it integrates rapid fabrication, flexible assembly, accelerated testing, and design iteration support, enabling low-cost validation and early problem detection. Based in Shenzhen, Kaboer owns dedicated quick-turn production lines and maintains on-hand material stocks. We conduct component availability checks before quoting, ensure transparent and timely communication, and apply full process quality control including OE, X-ray inspection, and electrical testing, capable of delivering prototypes for flexible, rigid flex, HDI, and high-frequency boards. We efficiently turn your designs into functional products within days.